Welcome to the online classes of Sacred Heart High School. Today we will be studying Maths for Standard 7th, Chapter number 12, Perimeter and Area. Perimeter. The perimeter is a distance all the way around the figure, or the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a closed figure is the perimeter of that figure. So here this is a rectangle. A rectangle is a figure with 4 sides and the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. The perimeter can be found by adding the lengths of the sides together. It can also be found by adding twice the length to twice the breadth. So here we have added all the sides together and the perimeter we obtained is 28 centimeter. The formula for perimeter of a rectangle is given as 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Let's see this with an example. The perimeter of a rectangle is 64 centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its breadth? So here we have the values of a perimeter and the length. We are supposed to find out the breadth. So we have considered the breadth as x centimeter. Now we will write the formula for the perimeter, that is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Taking 2 in common and substituting the values of the perimeter and the length, that is 2 into 17 plus x is equal to 64. Now to eliminate the 2 from the right side, we will divide 2 on both the sides. So 2 gets eliminated. We are left with 17 plus x is equal to 32. Therefore x is equal to 15. X was the breadth that we had assumed. Therefore the breadth of a rectangle is 15 centimeter. Perimeter of a square. A square is a figure with 4 equal sides. The perimeter can be found by adding all the 4 sides together. That is, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Here in this figure, the sides measures 2 centimeter each. Therefore, to find the perimeter of a square by using the formula 4 into side, that is 4 into side, 4 into 2 gives us 8 centimeter. This is how we solve the sums related to perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. Area. The area of a figure is the number of the square units that cover the surface of a closed figure. A square unit is a unit that has 4 equal sides. 1 centimeter. For metric units, we say unit square or centimeter square. And the area of a figure is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover the surface. So first, we will see area of a square. The formula to find out the area of a square is given as side multiplied by side or side square. The length of the side of a square is 25 centimeter. Find the area. The length of the side of a square is given is 25 centimeter. Now we will apply the formula, that is area of a square is side multiplied by side. The side measures 25 centimeter. Therefore 25 multiplied by 25 gives us 625 centimeter square. This is how we solve the sums of area of a square. Now let us see area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is given by the formula length multiplied by breadth. Find the area of a rectangle of length 43 meter and breadth 13 meter. Length of rectangle is 43 meter and breadth is 13 meter. Therefore, by applying the formula, that is area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and substituting the values, that is 43 multiplied by 13 gives us 539 square meter. This is how we solve the sums of area of rectangle and area of a square. We are just supposed to remember the formulas, substitute the values and get the answer. I hope children, you all have understood what is perimeter and area and how to solve the sums with the help of the formula. Thank you.